The GoPro Hero 9 has had some issues. Good news though, there are updates on the way for the camera, and I'll talk about that in this video, coming right up. Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thanks for joining me today. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, well, welcome to Sid's Tips. If you are back, well, welcome back. And I really am so glad you're joining me today. As you can see, yes, I got the Hero 9 Black. I got an extra battery and charger. I got the media mod, the head strap and quick clip and suction cup. I was teetering back and forth because I'm hearing there's issues and people like it, and then I saw the media mod was available, then it wasn't, and finally available, and I got it. So I'm here. I've been a user of the Hero 7 Black for over a year now, and I've enjoyed it. Actually, more than a year. I've had it since shortly after it first came out. So I've really enjoyed it, used it a lot on my hikes and some of my reviews. And so I'm looking forward to diving in and talking about the difference in my experience. I know there's a ton of great videos out there, but hopefully I can add some additional value to you as I do the open boxing and share about my experience. So let me share with you, and I'm gonna put a link to this page. This was sent to me. I'm in a Facebook group with other GoPro Hero users, and this link came to my attention. So make sure to bookmark that. But October 20th, there's gonna be a firmware update. They're gonna improve the sensitivity on the touchscreen, increase sensitivity to better register taps and swipes. I've heard there's an issue with that. They're gonna improve the image quality improvements. I did see a video review regarding that, and they were talking about how on the ProTune media and sharpness, there's some issues, and also fine-tune for 4K video modes. The connectivity, bug fixes to keep the GoPro app paired on point. Then in November, no date yet, according to here, they're gonna fix the slow-mo shortcut. So they'll have a option of that on the rear display. That will be nice. Also, the Hyper Smooth 3.0, improving that. And it's saying here to improve performance even more so in colder temperatures, and the external mic connectivity. So the 3.5 millimeter mic adapter evidently is not working right now, so they're supposed to work on that. And then lastly, the remote control. They are supposed to come out with a new remote control. It's a shame that the remote control that's available now won't work with the 9. I don't really get it, but I'm sure that there's some technology that they've updated that it just, won't work. And it's a shame too that a lot of these issues were not addressed when the camera first came out. But I've worked in technology before, in software and even telecom, and these bugs do happen. And so the good part with software, even like my Google Pixel 4 XL has improved over time with the updates, and the same thing with the camera. So I think they will get to those, and that was something to me that was really important to see that, and that helped, although I'm still a little on edge. And for me, the media mod, although I have heard some audio on the media mod and it doesn't sound great. In fact, the camera actually sounds better. But what I like about it is that I can use an external mic with it, and it's a lot cleaner than what I had with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So looking forward to sharing all this with you. I wanted to make sure you were aware of this in case you're wondering what's going on with the updates, when are they coming out, and hopefully this will be of help to you. If you find this video of help, by the way, please give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. If you find that my channel can add value, would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos when they come out. So I really appreciate it. Looking forward to getting those unboxed and sharing with you. I'll put some links to these products if you wanna get some more information on them, and you might wanna order them yourself. All right, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.